Okay, so here we are. Heat pump. It's an older girl. About 97, I'm guessing. And what we have is actually an odd noise complaint. You can see that we have a heat pump. And we have a bad contactor. So let me show you exactly what that sounds like. So how we determine that? Well, there's the sound, of course. This unit could definitely use some maintenance. When I take and test across the contacts, on one side we have 0.01 ohms of resistance, and on the other side we have about 18 mega ohms of resistance. And just for safety's sake, I'll show you that we have the disconnect out, so there's no power. Let me get my meter set up and I'll show you how to test that. So you'll see that geez, that's hard to get the shot, but we'll see that on this particular contact, we have 0.01 ohms. I'm sorry, 0.1 ohms. And on the other side of the contactor, well, at this point we have it's now just open. Well, 15 mega ohms. Now let me show you where I'm testing. So from line power to the top of the contactor is L1, and then the L2 to the other top of the contacts. We're good. So the least of our problems is a failed contactor. Let's get that changed out. Okay, so we have that contactor changed out. I'm not going to go into the details of how to change a contactor, because there are lots of other YouTube videos out there that detail how to change out a contactor. What I am going to do is show you what killed this particular contactor. So we see that the unit suffers from a lack of maintenance, and what I'm hoping you can see is that little bug in the contacts. Hope you can make that out, but that's why we had no continuity between those contacts. That little guy got in there and, well, gummed up the works. So check on that during maintenance time. You don't have any little critters in there. You can see that those contacts are kind of chewed up. All right, on to the next call.